That's a traditional sourdough. The traditional sourdough is a combination of rye flour, wholemeal flour, and white flour. So the traditional sourdough, firstly, the sourdough itself, it's the idea of making bread without yeast. So what that does to you is that you're getting the benefit of less gluten in a bread. Because when you make a sourdough, what happens is that the bread undergo through fermentation. So say 24 hours, you're still making one bread. So just for example, what I'm baking tomorrow is already mixed today. So in that process, all excess gluten is broken down. So for the people that can't have gluten, gluten intolerant people, then they can have that. So we cannot medically say it's a gluten-free, but it definitely has less gluten. Some people get away with it. They would be wanting a gluten-free, but they can get it a sourdough and then they get away with it. So that's the benefit of the traditional sourdough. So the traditional sourdough, this one is a brown seeded sourdough. This is a Farmstar white sourdough. This is 100% rye sourdough. So as much as all these sourdoughs, this one seems to be the healthier because some people cannot have wheat. So this is just rye, pure rye, and then it's sourdough. So on this one, you're getting a bread that is wheat-free and yeast-free at the same time from the rye. And these two are created just because it's bread at the same time. As much as they're getting a health benefit, people still have a variety to choose. That is why you see I got a wider range here. This is brown seeded sourdough. So just like your whole wheat bread, with seeds, but then sourdough. Some people would prefer white bread, but it's a white bread, but then it's sourdough. So this is about, and as far as these ones are concerned. So on here, these ones are just normal. They're not sourdough. Sourdough range ends here. From here to here, they're all shea butters. And then this is just a plain shea butter. And then this one's got olives and rosemary. But what everyone likes when they come here, what they buy most is this one. Because this one is a meal. It's a meal on its own. It's got sun-dried tomatoes, basil pesto, and feta cheese. So it's good to go. If you go to the Cape Flats, you would be getting what they call a Gatsby, you know. So same idea as a Gatsby, but this one is pre-cooked in it. So it's not like because a Gatsby you cut, you put your things in. This one is cooked with it. Very everyone's favorite. And then we got a focaccia here with pepper juice, basil pesto, and feta. Then we got a smaller version of that, and then the cheese sticks. So on these ones, so what I do, everything I do, I don't put sugar in. So everything is sugar-free, and you go around, people are suffering from sugar, they don't want to have that, but everything is sugar-free. The only thing that has sugar on here is the pastries. And the other benefit of these ones, they are made with a stone ground Eureka flour, which is the best on the market. So I cannot say it's organic, but it's the best flour on the market because they guarantee don't use preservative or anything like that. So yeah. So that's called balsamic vinegar. Just put together no recipe. You can do it even at home. Just throw it in a bowl, then you get that like that.